Hello guys, today we will learn how to place a text behind any object. Here I have downloaded an image of New York City. Make sure the image layer is unlocked. In first step, go to Select option and choose Select and Mask. Here click on Select Subject. The Photoshop Artificial Intelligence will select it automatically. Select Quick Selection tool. While plus sign is activated, click on unnecessary selected area to deselect. And switch to the minus sign if you want to minus any selection. Follow the tutorial for better experience. Here you can switch to different views for checking how perfect is the selection. After making selection of the object, select New Layer in Output and hit OK. Now make the original image layer visible. Select Type tool and write any kind of text. Click on the check mark. Select Move tool. Press Ctrl+T to make adjustment to the text. Drag the text and make it bigger. Here you can adjust the tracking of text. And increase some vertical scale. After writing, scaling and adjusting the text, drag the text layer below the selected object layer. Here you go, you have placed the text behind the object. In last step we will add some drop shadow on the text. So right click and choose blending option. Check on drop shadow. Adjust the opacity and distance. And you are good to go. If you have liked this tutorial and want to learn more in Photoshop and Illustrator, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.